1081 West Cemetery Road. Come on in. Brand new construction, open floor plan, no carpet as you can see. Granite countertops, white kitchen cabinets, stainless appliances. Open deck with a nice private backyard. Perfect if you want a fence for your kids or your dogs. Main level also features a full bath. Bedroom or bonus, whatever suits your need. You can have a home office or a main level bedroom. Nice 2-car garage. Coat closet or extra pantry storage. Let's go upstairs. This is 2440 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, plus 2 bonus areas. Huge master suite. Granite countertops, double vanities, tile walk-in shower, nice walk-in closet. I love the feature of the washer dryer on this story for all the family's laundry needs. Great bonus room here for home office, kids' den, workout room, whatever works for your family. Another full-size bath. And 2 nice size bedrooms for the kids. Lots of space, brand new construction. Check this out, 1081 West Cemetery Road.